Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Recently I have joined Deloitte USI as a senior consultant and today I have received my laptop. Let's see what type of laptop I have got and along with the laptop what are all the accessories. So let's open and check.
A few moments later.
Charger and I think power cable, headset and finally here comes the laptop. It's Dell. So let us open and see what type of Dell laptop it is. So now let's unpack the accessories and see. So it's a power cable and now let us open and see the charger and I think it's a C-type charger. So nowadays all laptops are coming with the C-type charger only. And headset, it looks like a decent headset. And now if you see, I think it's yeah, headset with mic both. So it will be very useful for long day meetings and all. But definitely I'm not going to use headset. I will prefer normal only. And so now finally let's open the laptop. So the touch and feel looks like a premium type of laptop. Yeah, the laptop is Dell Latitude 5240 and even it got LED backlight in it. So even fingerprint unlock button is also there and the same, that is only the power on and off button. It's i7 processor with 500 GB hard disk in it. The laptop looks pretty great. So the laptop credentials and all will be receiving in a separate mail before the date of joining. If your date of joining is on Monday, so you'll be receiving on Sunday night or Monday morning. So the login details and all. So any questions or anything related to, if you have any questions or any doubts related to the receiving of laptop or the login details or anything, you can comment out in the comment section so that I can clarify your doubts or anything related to the laptop process.